Faiz,
Yeah?
what are you thinking of?
What am I thinking?
Your face looks so sad.
I'm not thinking about anything. I was only thinking of how much I need to be happy for the rest of my life.
You're thinking of how much you need to make to be happy for the rest of your life.
Why are you smiling?
Well, I'm going to be telling you how much you need to make to be happy for the rest of your life from the future.
Okay.
So let's travel to the future. Bye. So this is Faiz from the future, and I'm just here to share my thought with you on how much I think you need to make to be happy for the rest of your life. Millionaires have once again been found to be much more happier than the average population of everybody in the world. And this was actually discovered through a study being published by the social psychology and the personality scientist. And they discovered that the rich people are much more happier than the poor, all because of how the rich people spend the money on themselves, going on vacations, getting things they need for themselves, some basic amenities, and also how they show this spirit of giving little out of what they have to anybody they would feel like. And sometimes they show this small act of kindness by giving alms to people, which is just a normal thing. And this small gesture can actually change someone's day. But generally, this happiness disappears, vanish in time, rather very quickly. And this was how it was postulated through their scientific experiment or theory. Now let's assume you are making 10k this month, and the next month you're making 20k. The next month you're making 30k, up like that. And now you're getting 10k for the first month. You're getting some things you need for yourself. You getting 20k, you are getting much more than the things you need for yourself. You getting 30k, you are getting beyond the things you need for yourself because you have the money to get these things for yourself. And it will go to a point where you have the money to get all of the things you need for yourself. So you get into this breaking point or this limit, you don't really feel happy from the money you have again, all because you can get anything you want for yourself. Although you can't be happy being poor, all because 82% of those that are rich are happy and 98% of those that are poor are sad. Which is why I don't want to be sad and you don't want to be sad. And for this main reason, we all need to make money despite the happiness we're getting from this material things we're getting for ourselves disappears in time or vanish like air. And this is the biggest truth about money. It changes our well-being and also as emotion. Well, but only I can say for a certain point. And you making money is not how hard you strive to get these things. It's all about what you have or just to do some things with yourself and not trying to be anybody. Since you making money is not about how you work hard, though making money is all about the mindset. The mindset you have towards making money, which you never learn from anywhere, even from the school which you are. And the mindset is all about you understanding how you need to make money to get more of money, which is just you starting the process which you're not even ready to finish yourself. And you understanding how money works to get more money is the process where you understand what is called financial literacy, or you being a financial literate. Now, you being a financial literate is all about you understanding what an asset and a liability is. So from this, I can recommend these 3 books for you to read. The first one, which is The Millionaire Next Door, the second one, which is The Richest Man in Babylon, and the third one, which is Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is known to be the best-selling whatever. All I have to tell you now is you don't really need to make any much of money to be happy with yourself, since the happiness you're getting from these material things you're getting for the money you have is gonna be vanishing in time. The happiness every one of us is chasing is from the material things which we see, which is just what we need for ourselves. These things are basic amenities which we need to survive, and it is normal for us to chase them as human because we need to survive, not fighting with each other or comparing your views with other people on YouTube. Generally, happiness is something you feel which should come from within, not from the outside world. You understanding how to live with yourself, how to live in the present is all about you being happy with yourself. The happiness that comes within you is you understanding the state of your mind, you trying to clear things with yourself and stop comparing all about how other people make money and you not making any of it. Just start doing something. And now to the question which you all have been asking, how much you need to be happy for the rest of your life. You don't need any much money to be happy for the rest of your life. Happiness is from within. You need to be happy with yourself and accept everything that comes your way. Be yourself, don't stress yourself. The happiness from within is just all about you neglecting negative vibes coming your way, or negative thoughts or affirmation, and you claiming positive things coming out of your way in time. And that is how you're gonna feel yourself, because That is just it. Being a financial literate is you understanding that it is not just making much more money, but understanding the process of how money works for itself. And that was why Robert Kiyosaki said that the rich people don't work for money, the poor people work for money, because we'll just work in order to survive, and when we survive, we still die all the way. And now this is what I understand after reading these 3 books I recommended for you. An asset is what takes money out of your pocket. No, an asset is what brings money to your pocket, and a liability is what takes out money from your pocket. And you having the mindset of going to school, having a great job, having this good grade is not just what I think is working now. Though those things work in the 1960s. Because everything they depend on is book, and now we have people that are creative on the internet. You have a lot of things to do with yourself apart from chasing the world and not trying to be yourself. Well, the only thing I can tell you about happiness from my own perspective is that happiness is not a state where you have a destination. It is just a flow in your heart where you nice with yourself, and it is just throughout your lifetime. Though after making all of the money you think you want to make with yourself, or you want to make for the rest of your life, is not making you to be happy. The only thing I want you to just do is to be yourself and stop comparing. Get started with something anyhow you want to do it, and be nice with yourself. You don't really need to compare or check the time and compare with your age. We all have our destination, and that is just the fact about it. So if I'm gonna be concluding all of these things, how much you need to make to be happy is not about how much you're making. Your happiness is all about your mind, and the only thing you have to do with your mind is you neglecting positive vibes or things coming to your way, and you affirmating. No, it's just you accepting positive things coming to your way, and moving away from negative vibes. I think I see how 500 with me, just resonating with the word. And nice meeting you. Though Phize means light, and that is P to the HYIZE. So if I haven't told you guys, I want you to smash the subscribe button, because you want to do it but you forgot. But just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video, or until when you are happy with yourself. So I love you all. Yeah, I really love you, and you deserve all from me. So come.